Problem number 10. Bailey decorates a dance hall with balloons. A box of balloons contains 20 red, 18 blue, and 12 white balloons. Bailey randomly chooses a balloon without looking. What is the probability that he chooses a blue or a white balloon? Well, there are two things that we have to determine here. First of all, we have to determine the total number of balloons that we have altogether. So according to the problem, we had 20 red, 18 blue, and 12 white. So if we add that all together, we get a total of 50 balloons. So when we determine the probability, we know it's going to be out of 50 when she selects a balloon without looking. The next part of the problem asks us, what is the probability that he chooses a blue or a white balloon? So we need to take the number of blue balloons and add it to the number of white balloons that are available in the bag. According to the problem, there are 18 blue balloons and there are 12 white balloons. So if we add 18 and 12, we get 30. So the probability that Bailey would choose a blue or a white balloon is 30 out of 50. Now you may, in a grid-end problem, you may bubble this in more than one way. One way is to keep it as a fraction and bubble in 30 with the fraction bar 50. Another way would be to use your calculator to change this into a decimal. So if we change this into a decimal, 30 divided by 50 gives me 0.6. A third way to bubble this in would be to reduce your fraction and have 3/5. Now again, it doesn't matter how you bubble the answer. Oftentimes students find that bubbling in the decimal is easier. But if you decide to bubble in the fraction, make sure you write in each number 30. Make sure you put in the fraction bar over 50. When you bubble in very carefully and make sure that you bubble in the corresponding bubble for the fraction bar in order to get full credit.